Hi, my name is Mike Lackey. I'm the president of Enable Me. We are the United States distributor for the VELA Independence Chair. Today I join you from Denmark, where they've been building these high-quality chairs since 1935. I'm here at their showroom and an apartment so we can show you how you can have great activities in a very safe manner. So come on, let's go check it out. If I'm at my bed, it allows me to lock the casters in place so the chair will not migrate away from me. I can bring the chair up to the proper height and do a nice transfer onto my bed. The same holds true when I want to enter back into the chair. I push a button, bring it to the proper height, and it makes for a very nice transfer for me to start my day, maybe as my body's waking up. Perhaps you want to go to your closet and get your attire for the day. You can easily just come over, again, lock the chair in place, and start bringing it up to a height that you need to go ahead and get your clothing for the day ahead. Easily accessible and not making any alterations to my house. All right, from here, we'll go and see what our next activity is. The kitchen. A lot of our customers, it's the favorite room. As you notice, I lock the caster in place. With the push of a button, I can raise myself up to safely be able to look in my pots and pans and work around a hot stove without the fear of being burnt. I can see what's cooking, I can give it a stir, and prepare the meal that the family always loved. As you go through the kitchen, being able to get extremely low as well as extremely high has a lot of advantages. I can easily look into my oven, check how my things are baking, come over, lock the brake, open up my dishwasher, and remove my dishes or add them to it. One of the nice parts is when I have the things high up in my cupboards, it's no longer a challenge for me. I can go ahead and reach, take the items, put them back where they were, reach my books, my utensils, and anything else I so choose in a very safe manner. As I bring myself down, we'll go over to the refrigerator. Maybe you want to get your favorite beverage or whatever you want to cook up that night for dinner. So you can come back down, lower it, come over to your kitchen and the refrigerator, lock it back into place, and again, raise it up for easy access to get whatever shelf you need and whatever beverage you prefer. So that's a little tour of the kitchen, and maybe next we'll go and take a look at where we may dine. Okay, now our guests have arrived. We have made the meal, and we can actually enjoy dining with our friends and family. A lot of chairs, or perhaps wheelchairs, you cannot get up close to the table. Here I can nice and comfortably. If I have a high top that I haven't been able to enjoy, guess what? Now I can go ahead and bring the chair up to that height and get back to perhaps countertops or high tops that I haven't been able to use for years. Getting together with your family and friends and enjoying a meal is a wonderful experience, and the VELA Independence Chair allows you to do so comfortably and safely. The bathroom, a very important room in the house. One that people generally don't like to talk about, but the Independence Chair, while locking the casters in place, can give you a very stable surface to transfer onto your commode. Same holds true on coming off the commode. For hygiene, we can bring you over to your sink and safely get ready for our day. We can get above the sink, wash our hands, brush our teeth, come up, shave for the day, or make sure that we're ready to go out with our friends and family. Laundry, not necessarily everybody's favorite activity, but an essential one. Again, by locking the chair in place and raising it up to the desired height, you can do even the most strenuous activities easily and safely. One of the things that we hear about the independence chair from the people that utilize it is perhaps at the end of the day, they have a little more energy than they used to. All because we make things a little more effortlessly. Safety is one of the key ingredients here with the VELA independence chair. Locking the casters and getting to the proper height, even if it's something as mundane as ironing, is very important for your confidence and your independence. So I love it. I love to iron, of course, but now that I did one of my least favorite activities, I can go ahead and go about life with the things I love to do. Thank you for taking some of your valuable time today to learn more about the VELA independence chair. We look forward to you joining our community.